Hey guys, I just kind of want to show you what's going on for this week. When you get to our homepage, if you'll scroll down and go to where it says Overview of Module 2, this will take you right to a sheet that'll tell you everything you need to know. The first thing I'm reminding you to do is to sign up for your two proctored test writings. One is a paragraph and the other is an essay. So if you click over here on Smarter Proctoring, right here, this is where you can go and sign up for those tests. Okay, really important that you go ahead and get that done so that there's openings and you have somewhere to do that. But go ahead and make your appointments. All right, for this week, you're going to have you're going to have 3 quizzes on Wednesdays. They are called DGP, and they are actually daily grammar practices. They're 3 quizzes. Here they are right here: parts of speech, sentence parts, and clauses. It's very simple. What I do is I give you one sentence. I don't put any punctuation. I don't put any kind of, capitalization or anything. It's just a simple sentence. They do get a little harder as we go throughout the semester. But when you click on this, it's one sentence and it asks you about parts of speech. There's usually about 5 questions because there might be 5 words in the sentence, but it'll multiple choice ask you about parts of speech. The second one is sentence parts. So it may talk to you about what's the subject, what's the verb, is this an adjective, and that kind of thing. Is this a direct object? And then this, and it's the same sentence. Third quiz, same sentence, but now it's going to talk to you. It may give you multiple choice, like here's some punctuation, is this a simple sentence, that kind of thing. Should this be capitalized? So each one of these quizzes are very few questions and very simple, and you may take them more than one time. So if you take one, you're confused, you don't understand it, take it and then take it again and see if you can't, if it's not more clear on what we're doing on that one. So those are due Wednesday. Okay, so now if you forget one of these, you do have some daily, some drop grades in the daily category. But remember, if you skip all 3 of these, you're using up 3 of your 5 drop grades quickly. So make sure you get these done at first. You may also want to look at this, the DGP packet, and kind of familiarize yourself with what I'm looking for and what things will be asked for in each one of the 3 sections. All right, for Sunday, we're going to look at a PowerPoint on commonly confused words, and then there's a quiz, okay? Second holes quiz, meaning you have chapters 8 through 13. Remember, there's a PDF copy of this on our front homepage of our Canvas course. And remember, too, that anytime you complete this, it means you're present for the week. So all 8 weeks, you'll have a holes quiz, so make sure that you take this quiz. Very important. Submit your final copy of test paragraph 1 by Sunday. Most of you turned in an outline. They looked good to me. So the main thing you have to remember is when you click on this, you will see a template. Okay, and the template is me. I have already gone through and done the format for you. It's double spaced, and that's the main thing. People don't double space. Guys, don't get points taken off for format when your teacher puts a template in there for you to use, okay? Make sure you're using it. If you write paragraph 1, which you would do pretty quickly because it's just a paragraph, you may want to click on NetTutor over here. And I have a video in here, but it's kind of based on the old NetTutor. But let me find it. I'll have to make sure because NetTutor should be up here. There it is. So if you click on NetTutor, it's going to show you an easy way you can drop your papers file in there and someone will look at it. Now, it'll take them 24 to 48 hours. So if you write your paragraph, let's say Tuesday, and you turn it in Tuesday night, you should get your feedback from an online tutor in plenty of time to correct that and then submit it to me by Sunday. But, if you're writing yours and you have a question about a sentence, send me that sentence in an email and say, hey, do I need a comma here? I'll be glad to help you. Okay, so that's what we're doing this week. So please, any questions you have, click right here on Canvas messages and I'll answer anything that I can. All right, guys, have a great week.